Well, I am nearing the end of a very long day for me, and I am out of facial cleanser, so it's time for me to make some more. Now, I've done this for a long time. I used to do it just years and years ago, and I've tried lots of different recipes. You can find some on the internet, on Pinterest, and what have you. Actually, Pinterest is a really great place to find a lot of them, but you kind of have to play with them and see what it is that you like the best. And I have found one that I do like. Now, like I say, I've done a lot of different ones, and I may change it up every now and again. Sometimes your skin needs a bit of a change, but it is time for me to make some more, and I'm just going to show you what it is that I'm doing. It is a simple project, not hard to do at all. The first thing I'm going to do, I brewed up some chamomile tea, and it's already kind of cooled, so I'm putting 3/4 of a cup of chamomile tea into my bowl, and then I'm going to put in some honey, just some basic raw honey, and we're going to go with a tablespoon of honey. This is locally sourced honey, so I like that. But anyway, so we've got the honey going in. Make sure I get all of that. Yummy. And I'm going to stir that up, kind of get that blended together before I put anything else in it. So after stirring in the honey and the chamomile tea, I'm going to put in my Castile soap. Now, I'm sure if you've looked at any of the recipes before for a lot of the different concoctions for cleansing, Castile soap, a basic Castile soap is usually called for. And I'm going to put in, remember here, 3 tablespoons. And now for the jojoba oil, 1 teaspoon. I like the fact that all the ingredients are natural products, nothing with, chemicals and all that. We live in a society of too many chemicals right now, and everything we do, everything we eat, everything we touch in a normal situation is just covered in chemicals, and as a family, we are really trying to get away from that as much as we possibly can. Now, the essential oils that I've got for this one, and I've gone through a lot of different ones. I like this recipe. I love the smell of these, but these are really good for the skin. And I'm older than 30, so I need a little extra help with my skin. I won't tell you how much older. We're going to do 8 drops each of frankincense and of ylang ylang. Golly, they smell good. Sometimes these come out really well. There we go. That was the frankincense. Okay, so my essential oils are in there, and I'm going to mix these up some more. And I also got these foaming containers. So when you pump it, it foams right out into your hand. That's pretty great. Looks like we're all mixed up here. I'm going to go grab a funnel and pour it in here and show you how it works. Bubbles are already coming out. Okay, so this concoction is pretty good for the skin, and it will definitely cleanse you up. I'm also going to be making a toner because I like to use a toner after I cleanse, and I also like to use it first thing in the morning before I put my makeup on. But this little product right here will last for about a month. I will be good for about a month, and but if you can make it stretch out that far, maybe it'll stretch out a little bit further depending on how you wash your face. But these right here will, in a month's time, I can toss it or pour out whatever's left and make some more. It's like pennies to make this stuff because it's just a little bit here and there of the supplies, where if you were to go to the store to buy a chemical laden cleanser, it's $10, $12, and they don't last that long either. So anyhow, we're going to go cleanse the face.